Hello, good afternoon to everyone. This is Arvind. I want to give a presentation about a topic on simple way to earn money. Nowadays, every government officer is trying to earn money in a corrupted way, and like youth also supporting it by making how the persons can easily earn money by doing a corruption. This is a way how now every people who is living in a common way is tensioning about how my child is going to be developed or how I have to grow my child up. Nowadays it became common of a name called corruption.
Which button you are doing? That one I said.
This among our major sources are politics has become major source for the corruption. Politics is nothing but by earning money through a political way by getting a good name from a people. It means it's nothing but by the people who is earning or giving a votes to them by taking some amount of money. They are not thinking about the future of the development of where they are going to rule them. They are just getting up of money which can spoil the lives of many people. And next, I am going to say about the sources of corruption. Every government organization nowadays become a main source, and because of we can observe in our day-to-day lives, like when we are going for the many important thing in our colleges or in our institutions, as for the income certificates or birth certificates or something else. If we given some amount of money, the work will be finished in a time. But nowadays it became a very popular and minor thing in our society. So it should be reduced in our point of view. So the people who cannot give money, they can be implemented a lot. And next, private sector. According to the tender works are related to the people who can, the government gives a fund to the organizations to develop the slum areas as like that. But they are just eating the money which they cannot be doing good thing for the slum people. They are just developing their social activities, their families, etc. And next, student education facilities. In a up-to-date life, I am a BTech student and I have to face problem by having a corruption. If I produce many certificates, even though if I produce many certificates, not even having saying that not having enough details about the certificates. It means if they produce in a government way that I am producing that they are giving me a scholarship, but in their account, in their view, they are giving what they are trying to give a scholarship, they are just eating up. It is nothing but corruption. Next, behavior of officers. Like they are simply doing among a person who is too illiterate while he went for the office to do some social work, what he wants important in his life, the person only sees amount of the eyes on money and he didn't hear anything, only the amount that he wants to receive from the person who wants him to do work. And next, he eats money and he will be doing work. So friends, don't encourage this while doing these kind of things, and make literate to your parents in your society. Next, how the corruption is affecting the people. We are living in a nice buildings, nice houses, but many people in our country, more than 72,000 of people are living in slums, which means the politicians and every government officer are doing something to build up their lives and their family and their etc. And everything is going to be on your hand, friends. Let me say about how the politics had played an important role in it. By when the elections time comes, they go to these slum areas by developing them. But they won't do it. After 5 years also they will be saying regular word that I will be implementing it. But no one will take care of it after the election results are announced. So friends, be take care and open your eyes while you are electing your leader or everyone. Next, roles of youth to the corrupt. They have to meet every people and every person that you have to realize about the corruption and what is going in the society. And like they have to encourage the person who fought for anti-corruption. Like we are having ACB. Nowadays they are just corrupting them, but we can find some of the persons who are doing good. And next, every Indian should not encourage corruption and everyone have to run to the corrupted persons. I think you understand my point. Next, so it's my view that corruptionist has to run by the people what they have chosen for. So in our India, example, if we take in our India, a person who stands about the age of 50 years, he don't wants to do what the thing that is happening in the society. He just wants what is going in India. So he fought a movement to raise against the corruption. So we encourage him and we too support him for his action, and that's all. Thank you. Any queries? Any queries?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
He is communist.
Yeah, he is a communist, but he is fighting towards the corruption.
I am asking who is communist? What did communist do?
Who is communist? What does he do?
A communist is a person who wants to implement something in the society. What is going on?
Yeah, thank you.
Next. Thank you.